Alright guys, we got an awesome product that we just put together, and I'm going to tell you a couple reasons why this needs to be in your living room. First and foremost, who doesn't love LEDs? This bad boy has LEDs. Come hit a button for me. Hit that button. Give me a color, dude.
I'm going to choose my favorite.
Absolutely. Pop it to purple. Alright, we're going to shift the color. We have an LED strip that's running up in here, and that's going to give me all kinds of stuff. You get a remote control, and look at that. We got purple just like that. Something else I want to tell you, it also has a USB-C port to charge with 2 integrated charge sections, so you're able to make that happen. B is going to be for blue, bub, just like that. So you got tons of things. This is also app control, so you can download an app and control this right from your phone, be able to hook it up however you possibly need to, which makes it awesome. Next thing, you have 2 compartments on the outside. I like that it's open. This thing's super lightweight, move it around, but I like that it's open.
Is the changing color.
Love it, love it. You go ahead and put some buttons and change it up. So you also have 2 nice sections with magnetic doors that are going to keep it nice and steady when they're closed. Look at that closing up with no problems. You have your feet, which are adjustable, and it's just super simple. Very simple design, very rigid design in the perspective of it feels sturdy at the end of the day. So, guys, if you're looking for this for your house, this is what you need. So definitely check it out. Check it out? Yeah.